Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's tutorial, I would like to show to you how to make your own background for your image using Canva application. Okay, first let's open your Canva, and here I already prepared an image. For example, I'll try to remove the background first and then add a new background onto it using my own willing. Okay, first click the Magic Studio button and then click BG remover to remove all of the background from this image like this. And after that, let me try to adjust the image like this. Okay, and now after that we need to add a background onto it. Click elements. Here you can type 3P like this and then search it, and we will use the graphic one, this one. And for example, I will try to use this design and expand the design. Make sure that it's covering all of the image like this, and on the position make the design behind the image like this. And after that, adjust the position of the image, and I will try to make it wider like this. And after you finish doing it, we can add an effects like tone effect to change the color of the background. For example, I'll try to use this color, this gray color. And after you finish doing it, now it's done. That's so easy. It doesn't take 10 seconds, and you can make your own background to your image. That's the way how to do it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.